This is going to be a short video of my flower garden and grasses and hostas. And my hosta are coming really great in these grasses. And the hosta are starting to get their flowers on them already. And they usually kind of die back after that. Here's one here. So I almost want to cut the flowers off. These are lilies. And I'm not sure what this is called, but they're really, if you look really close, they have really pink leaves on them. Oh, I think they're called coral bell now that I'm looking at them. Here's another area of my garden right next to the house here. I have some lilies here that we transferred because they were taking over everything. And I have these. I know somebody can tell me what they're called. I planted these. They're annuals. They're different colors. And I have some irises that haven't bloomed yet. But this is basically a rose garden. I have 5 different rose bushes here. This is my flower box that is in the back of our house, so we see it every morning when we walk out, coming along really well. I bought a variety pack of coleus. That was my mother's favorite plant. They don't really do much. I don't think they flower or anything, but I'm growing these in memory of her. I have this cute little wrought iron box I have them in. I'm growing some kind of seed in here. It's going to be a mystery. They are coming up. I can see them. And I don't know what it will be, but they got plenty of rain, a little too much rain, I think. We've really had like a monsoon spring here. This is another little section of my garden. These are dianthus. They're going to be red ones. Maybe they're all red, I don't know. Dianthus, maybe that's the only color they are, I don't know. These are lilies of the valleys. That's another plant I got rid of because they just take over everything, and mine are so old they don't even bloom anymore. The flowers are beautiful, but they don't come. And this is a bayberry bush. I'm not really a fan of it. It has pricklers on it. But we have this azalea bush that now is coming to bloom because we got rid of a rhododendron that was here. It was humongous, and it had some kind of burn on it, and so now the azalea bush is going to be able to flourish, and we have to get rid of that stump there. But I have some zinnias coming up here. Something is eating them though. I'm not sure if it's a slug, or I'll go in so you can see. I think it's slugs that are eating them. Here's another dianthus. And these are my spirea bushes that have gone past now. That's what that white stuff is on the ground. And I have some snapdragon there. And in the back there I have more zinnias. And we have some marigolds here. And I believe this is coneflower. More hostas. I have this daffodils that are gone past. This is, these are mums. And that is a crazy rock that I have that they left here. And this looks like some kind of carnation. I'm not sure what it is. I didn't keep the tag. I planted that this year, but I don't know what it is, if it's an annual or what. And this is bee balm right here. That's coneflower. I'll take a video of this when everything's in bloom so you can see it. And that's catnip in my bird bath. This, I'm not sure what this is. I want to say it's moon something. It might be a weed, but it flowers. And this is yarrow. I think it's going to be yellow. It's not blooming yet. It might look like it is, but it's not. And I have Liathris, I think it's called. And that has purple torch. I don't know if you've ever seen those. Here's another marigold. This is more mums. Oops, wrong way, sorry. That's ladies Anne's Lace, I think it's called. That one right there. Whoops. Anne's Lace, I think. And right there are phlox. And this is Corpsealis, I think. Oh good, looks like the phlox has kind of expanded. And there's more zinnias. The slugs haven't found those yet. That's good. And this is all zinnia seeds. I put all kinds down. I love zinnias. They're a great cutting plant. They love to be cut. This is dahlia, I believe. I'm not sure what this one is. We transplanted all of our lilies here and our violets. They were taking over our flower garden. As you can see, they're taking over here, but we don't care about that because that's good filler for us. So they look pretty, and we have a restaurant next door, so they kind of just are there and they look good. These are lilies. They haven't come up yet. They blossom pretty soon, so they should be flowering soon. This one is another grass my husband planted. I guess it's supposed to get like 3 feet high. And here is some more hostas. And this is a grass that gets about 6 feet high. And take you over here. This is another grass. It may look dead, but that is the look it has. It's like a curly brown leaf. It's not my favorite, but my husband likes it. And we have some rhododendrons here. And here's what I was talking about, how the other rhododendron died. It had like this burn. I don't know what caused this burn, but we trimmed this one up. I guess we missed a few here and there. This I think is called Veronica, and it's pretty. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure what that is. That I think is lavender right there. We have more hostas here. And this is mint. We have peppermint and spearmint. Right? I think that's the spearmint. This is the peppermint. That's a hydrangea of some sort. These are gorgeous. Look at this. I don't know what these are called. We have 3 of them. Three of these bushes. There's some violets. But this red bush is just beautiful. It's like a... Oh, maybe we have 4 of them. We must have 4 of them. And this is another hydrangea. This is another hydrangea right here. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, I don't know what. Oh, maybe that's part of the hydrangea. And then we have some violets. I'm not sure what this thing is, but it's doing well. It hasn't flowered, but it's doing well. And there's some another hydrangea. We have this nice little patch of color here, this purple with the variegated colored grasses, and they're coming along really well with this black mulch. They really stand out really nice. They look really pretty. Our friend gave us the black mulch, so that was nice. And here we have more hostas here. Out front we have here are some ferns. They're really big Boston ferns, and they kind of make our house look really stately. And so that's it for my show and tell. I have my hedges here, and I hope you like my flowers and my garden, and have a great day.